Hey guys, just wanted to welcome you back for another video. And today I'm just having some fun making a few tags using the new Glitzy Treasures collection. I realized I hadn't made any in a while, so I just wanted to sit down and have a quick little play session. And also, if you have not yet checked it out, you definitely want to go to www.shinysilvertreasures.com and check it all out. For this month, she has 3 options for the release. You can get the full complete card making kit, which has everything all included, or you can get the mini kits option. The first one will get you the stencil, the paper, the stamp set, and the die, and then the other one will get you all of the ephemera, all the bits that come in the kit. So again, 3 options. Maybe you don't want to do the whole card making kit. You don't have to. So all of that would be listed on the website. And then also don't forget, if you missed the Glitzy Treasures collection, which came out last month, there may still be a ton of stuff still available for that as well. She put out a whole bunch of coordinating bits for that release. But like I said, today I was just sitting down and having a really, really fun time just making a few little tags. I was waiting on dinner to finish cooking in the oven, so took advantage of the moment, because when is crafting time not a good time, right? So anyway, I will do the usual. The rest of this will get put to music when I'm done yapping here in just a bit. But again, definitely go check out Dawn's website. Like every time I turn around, there's always so much new stuff that she has put out. It's a riot. Oh my gosh. It is. Oh, she's just having a ball. But in any case, I will put all the links down in the description box per usual as well. So that'll be for Dawn's website, all the places you want to tag her on social media, her YouTube channel, plus all the other gals on the design team, because they have really been coming out with some super, super cute stuff. Never a lack of inspiration from all the videos with everybody making stuff with it. So like I said, you got a few options. If you don't want the whole kit, you don't have to get the whole kit. Personally, I like getting all the bits that I can get my hands on, so that's my choice. But, you got the options to do you. So anyway, like I said, check out all the links. They will be listed below. Hope you guys have fun. Hopefully you guys craft along, because that's always so much fun, just hanging out, vibing to music, and doing our crafty thing. So if not, you can always just hang out and enjoy the process and the music as well. In any case, it's always good being here with you. So in the meantime, you guys definitely take care. Check out all the links, and I will see you in the next video.